In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again and keep 100% of the profit, because this is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing, so you don't have to split your commissions with anybody. This is just a done-for-you digital business in a box that you can set up in one day. So this is all you got to do here, okay? You just got to set up your business one time, and then you plug into our community for training and support. You get daily millionaire mentoring, you get weekly millionaire mentoring, interactive mentoring from 6- and 7-figure incrementers, all the help and support that you need. And then, so you set up your business, you plug into the community, and then you're just following a 2-hour workday. So you got to promote your business. So how do you promote your business? Well, we teach you the free strategies. So basically all you have to do is post 3 pieces of content a day to social media, okay? Like talking videos, faceless videos, little 7-second videos with words on the screen, whatever. You just got to be very consistent with that. And then your automations do the rest of the work for you. And this is how you earn $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions. That's pretty much how it works. And now I'm going to show you like behind the scenes and stuff. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine and I'm a former monk. And now I just help everyday men and women build 6- and 7-figure online businesses around their schedule. I started this business because my company cut my pay in half, and I was just sick and tired of, being financially dependent. I was sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. So I just went online to figure out how to make money. And I found this program. And I launched it in like early 2024, and I made multiple 5 figures with it so far, like thousands of dollars that I've made, and that's it. So basically here it's just a one-time investment. Like I also invested one-time investment, and you set your business up and you're ready to go. So there's 0 monthly fees with this business. You probably have monthly fees at your job, but there's no monthly fees with this business. And all you need to do is get 1 sale and you get your investment back. So, 1 sale. You just got to believe in yourself. You just got to believe that you can do it. You got to believe that you can figure this stuff out. It's not complicated. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a following. You don't need any experience. You just got to show up and just be consistent, really, at the end of the day. So just go to my link. There's a website, 7figuremonk.com. Okay, there's a link in the bio. There's a link there. You can check it out. Check out the information. Like, where's my board? Oh, my board's over there. 7figuremonk.com. Go there and you can check it out. Zooming in, zooming out. Okay, I'm using Zoom right now, and it kind of has this new feature, so it zooms in and it zooms out. Kind of interesting. But let me share my screen with you. Let me show you how this business works. Okay, check it out. So this is how this business works. This is called a capture page, right? So we give you this done for you business in a box, and you're gonna have this capture page. We give you these different templates, right? And like you can edit it however you want to edit it. Like I decided to put my own picture here to build my brand. So you know how I did this? Like I don't know anything about tech skills or anything. Like inside of our system, there's training that teaches you how to, edit and create your own funnels and stuff. But like, I just went to ChatGPT and I'm like, hey, ChatGPT, how do I put my picture in this template? And then ChatGPT told me exactly how to do it, right? So I just followed the steps. I put my picture in. Okay. So you're going to have a template. It's going to be something like this. And what happens is this is a capture page. People go there. People go here. They put their email in, and you're building your email list. And then it's going to take them to the next page, which will be a page like this. Okay. They're going to watch a video. Okay. They're going to watch a video. And then there's these wins from our community, okay? And basically they click on the button, and when they click on the button, it takes them to the website, okay? So the website looks like this. This is a done for you. This is a whole done for you system. Now you can edit it any way you want. If you want to change the colors, if you want to change the wording, you want to change the font, you can change whatever you want to change. It's up to you. Like I changed a couple things. I changed some colors and stuff, but you don't have to. Okay, it's like you don't have to change anything. It's up to you. It's up to your personal preference, okay? So unlock 10 income streams today and earn 100% profit from a done-for-you digital business, okay? And when I did go in and change colors and stuff, again, I had ChatGPT like tell me exactly how to do everything, which is cool. So I learned a lot of stuff ChatGPT helps me do that, AI, okay? So like unlock 10 streams of income today, earn 100% profit from a done-for-you digital business, okay? So people start here. You see how a sales funnel works? They start here, they put their email in, and they end up here. So why do we get emails? Well, we get emails so we can follow up with people automatically. Every business on the planet, if you're getting an email from somebody and they're promoting some kind of offer, that means you're part of their email automations. So every day, like we give you 30 emails. So emails are being sent out to people every day. So you don't have to manually follow up with people. Like you don't have to call people, you don't have to message people, because your emails are doing the communication for you, right? So they go to the website and they can click on one of the payment buttons and they can purchase one of the products. So whenever they purchase a product, you get paid instantly, right? You're gonna have a whole checkout page that's gonna look like this, okay? So people can pay through like whatever, PayPal, Stripe, Square, and then you get paid instantly 100% profit directly to you. So you don't have to wait to get paid out. Like if you have a job or you're doing MLM or affiliate marketing, you have to wait until your company pays you. But here, as soon as someone buys a product from this website, then you get paid instantly. And this is what we're selling, these digital programs. You see these programs, these are educational programs, and they teach you how to build an online business. They teach you how to do digital marketing. They teach you like how to build multiple streams of income in a variety of ways, like through creating your own offers, affiliate marketing, TikTok shop, AI, community monetization, social media monetization, things like that. These are all the things that you're going to learn. Okay, so how would an extra $1,400 per day change your life? Now, if you learn the skills to attract a customer a day, of course, results aren't typical. Everything is based on your effort, so don't be typical. Disclaimer. But if you learn the result, if you learn to attract a customer a day at 1,400, that's 42,000 a month and 511,000 a year. Like that's life-changing income. Even a few sales a month is life-changing income. If you're making a few $1,400 sales a month, well, that's life-changing for pretty much everybody. Okay. So there's 56,000 people in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So let's say you invest in this business, you just need to get one sale and then you get your investment back and then everything else is profit. Like my business has been in profit since like the first month. I got my first sale in my first month. I don't remember exactly. Maybe it was 2 to 3 weeks. I don't remember, but I got my first sale in my first month as a total beginner, right? So you get to keep 100% of the profits. And there's a certification training that you can go through. So you're going to be a certified reseller of these programs. Okay. And these programs are also in English and Spanish. Like if I click here, then it goes to my Spanish page, right? Then I go back, see, English and Spanish. So you have a global audience, you have a global market, like people from anywhere in the world, they can purchase one of these programs. It's a global business. We have people from all over the world, pretty much every single continent on the planet. We have somebody from there. Okay. So that's great. And we teach you how to use AI. There's testimonies on your website, these wins from the community. This is your bio section. You just put your picture in, you put your bio. And again, like we show you how to set it up and everything, but like ChatGPT can help you too. We have videos that explains how to set up this whole system, right? So it just takes basically a few hours to get your business set up. Basically takes a few hours. You can set it up in 1 to 2 days. Okay. So I put a lot of my own pictures here. You can put your pictures here too, like, cause you're building your brand, right? So you can do faceless. If you don't want to show your face, you can put faceless pictures up here. Or if you want to show your face, you can put your face. It's up to you. Okay, so this is basically what the website looks like. So people can go and buy the 400, the 900. They can buy the 600, the 300, or the 100. And there's also payment plans available for you or your customer. So if you want to start with the payment plan, like you can get started for anywhere from like $18 a month. Super affordable. Right? And always remember, you just need one sale and then your business is free. Like some people get hung up on the cost, on the investment, but they don't realize that all you need is one sale and your business is free, right? Like focus on that. Don't focus on the cost. Okay. Just get that one sale and then you don't have to worry about it. And then you have all these bonuses here, like thousands of dollars of bonuses. You get access to our community for free. Okay. You get all these different trainings. Okay. Like you get to learn how to create your own community. You get a Canva crash course, learn how to use Canva to create content. My first million in 17 months blueprint from my friend and mentor, Michelle. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan to help you build your business, market your business. You get Invisible Empire faceless marketing. You get 200 digital product ideas if you want to create and launch your own offer and market it. Like we teach you how to do that. So we basically got 3 types of buyers. One type of buyer, they have a business and they want to learn how to attract more customers online. So they buy a program. The second type of buyer, they want to learn how to build multiple streams of income, how to create their own offers. Okay. And the third type of buyer, they just want to resell the programs. They don't necessarily have a business or they don't really care about, creating their own offer. They just want to resell the program and make money that way. So we got 3 types of buyers. Okay. And that's that. And there's frequently asked questions, and that's pretty much the website. You can just go to 7figuremonk.com, right? Just go to my website. There's a link in the bio and you can look at it yourself, check everything out. And yeah, put your email in, check your junk folder, your spam, your promotions folder for the word blueprint. And then you can reply to my emails if you have any questions, right? Or you can just get started. So I'm going to help you build your business. Plus the community is going to help you build your business. So you can't lose. Either you're going to win or either you win or you learn. You can't really lose. Okay. So there we go. So like, let's say you decide to purchase one of the programs. Let me show you where your program is. So that's not it. Where is it? I think I deleted it. Let me load it real quick. Let me show you inside. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So here's inside of your program. Okay. So the program itself, like you purchase one of the programs, that's what we're selling, these digital programs in the e-learning industry. It's $1 billion a day industry. So the program itself is going to teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing, how to build an online business, how to build multiple streams of income, right? So you watch the videos, right? Start here, you watch all the videos, okay? And then, like, for example, what are you going to learn? Phase 1, foundation, CEO mindset and clarity, becoming the leader of your business and setting it up for success. That's what you're going to learn, okay? So you can just watch these videos and it's going to show you, like, you just watch the videos, you take notes, you implement the videos, and that's what we're selling, these programs, educational programs, okay? And then all your bonuses are here. Your certification training is here, okay? You got your certification training. You have your bonuses here. Okay, you got your bonuses, you got your certification training, and then you just got to set up your website, right? If you want to resell the programs, you got to set up your website. So you just go through and you set up your website in English or in Spanish or both. And it shows you what you need to, like, it shows you step by step what you need to do, like what accounts you need to open, right? And you're just setting up these pages, okay? And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments, by the way. And then one of the first things you got to do is you got to get a domain. Like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com. That's my brand. That's my domain. You can use your name. Like a lot of people, like I could say danbellin.com. I have that domain. That's good to do, right? Just ask ChatGPT also what is a good domain name you want to use. I would recommend just use your name, like, because you're building your brand. So like, but if your name's long or you don't want to use your name, then just go to ChatGPT and figure it out. Like you can say like work with Dan or whatever it is, whatever is available. You know, ChatGPT can help you figure out what your domain name will be. Okay. Then you got to attach your payment gateways. Okay. Like Square, PayPal, you got to attach it to your website. That's how you receive your payments. And then it shows you just how to connect everything, how to connect your system, how to get these pages set up. And you set it up one time. And then once you set it up, you're ready to go. Okay. So now let me show you inside of our community, right? Here is our community. So we have 57,000 people in our community. People basically join us every single day. And one of the first things you got to do is just go here. You just introduce yourself. You can post wins. You can ask questions. Okay. So, yep. And let me show you the win section. Let me show you that proof that people are making money or whatever. People can post whatever win they want to post. Like, look at, she posted 35 leads in my first 4 days of posting. So she got 35 potential customers. That's pretty good. Dream come true. All right, lead, small win. Let's see some money wins. Let me show you proof that people are making money by reselling the programs. Hello, made my first sale. She didn't really say how much. Okay, so she said I had a $3,800 day yesterday without going live, right? Without even going live, just probably from posting content. Okay. Let's see. She had a $1,400 day. Boom. She had a $1,400 day while she was at her son's basketball game. Okay. She had a $900 day. Okay, $900 day. Helped another eager mama get started. She made $900. Let's see. She made a sale while she was sick. Okay. She made $100 to $1,400 in 3 weeks. So yeah, there you go. Just showing some proof. Just some proof there. We have many pages of many pages of wins. We have like 900,000 pages of wins, or we have like 900,000 wins, 30 posts per page. Okay. And then the classroom, this is like where you get some bonus trainings. Okay. Social media training, all this bonus training you get, mindset training. We get these daily like trainings from a millionaire mentor. Like look at, you get this little video you can watch every day.
Of our 90-day confidence to cash sprint. And in day 79, we are going to talk about the identity that you need. I want to help you.
So you're going to get like little trainings like this every single day to help you with your mindset and your marketing strategies and stuff. And then the calendar that shows you like when we have tech calls if you need help setting up your website. We have free webinars that you can invite, you know, potential like customers to. We have all these different trainings that we have, so you can just go in the calendar and see when the next training is. And that's the community. Okay. So basically, like if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Basically, all you got to do, like I said, set up your business, plug into the community. You're following the 2-hour workday. So you just got to post content, go live, right? If you don't want to go live, you just post content on social media. You're attracting people, you're building your email list, and then the automations that I showed you are doing the rest of the work for you. So let me just give you like an example of how I post content, for example. Like if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see like most of my videos are about this business. Either I'm promoting this business or I'm giving people like, you know, value, like marketing tips, mindset tips. So either I'm doing the business or I'm providing value, right? That's what you want to do when you're creating content. You want to provide value. Either you give people like marketing tips, you know, mindset tips, or you're just posting like content about your business, right? Pretty much. So I have all these long form videos that I do. Okay. These different long form videos over 10 minutes. And then I have, you know, short form videos where I'm just like, see, like some videos I just put words on the screen, like these little 7-second videos, and I put words on the screen like this. See, turn off the sound, right? So look, see, I'm just putting this word on the screen, right? 7-second video, words on the screen, simple. Like AI, ChatGPT can help you create the words. Okay. I did a few of those, and then here's like a value post. I'm not even talking about my business. This is just straight value. Business post. Okay, business post. So just talking videos. You see, 7-second videos, talking videos. That's it. That's all you got to do. It's not complicated. Like you can post three videos and like, come on, like, you know, anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour, right? Just depending on you and how focused you are, and like, just depends on you really. Okay, then I go live. I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok. So my lives are saved on YouTube. Then I do these different posts. Like I use AI to create images like this, and I do like you know, words too. Like I create these images and I do these words. Okay, so you can do all kinds of stuff on YouTube. I like YouTube, but you can do whatever platform you like. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, doesn't matter. You just got to go where the people are. And people are on social media. Like 5 billion people are using social media every day. So go where the people are. Okay, so I showed you everything. If you want to learn more, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the bio. Just put your email in, check your folders, check your spam, check your junk, check your promotions, etc. for the word blueprint. Okay, and yeah, just check out the information. If you like it, get started. If you have questions, all you got to do is reply to my emails. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Share this video with someone. If you know someone who's looking for like legitimate ways to earn extra income online, then just share the video. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and God bless.